How to set a custom logo for your ESPN fantasy team. Step number 1, prepare your custom image. Image source. Ensure your desired image is hosted online, as ESPN requires a web URL for custom logos. Image size. For optimal clarity, adjust the image dimensions to improve quality. Step number 2, access your team settings. On the web, log into your ESPN fantasy account. Click on the My Team tab at the top of the page. Select Team Settings. On the ESPN Fantasy app, open the app and navigate to My Team. Tap the information icon, a letter I inside a circle, next to your team's name. Tap the Edit button at the top right corner of the team info page. Step number 3, set your custom logo. Using a web image URL. In the Team Logo section, select the option to use an image from the web. Enter the URL of your desired image in the provided field. Click Set Logo to apply the image. Using ESPN's free logo packs. If you prefer, choose from ESPN's library of free team logo sticker packs to create a unique avatar for your team. Step number 4, save your changes. After setting your custom logo, ensure you save the changes to update your team's appearance.